Welcome, students. So, we will start chapter number 24, that is quadratic equation. So, what is quadratic equation? That equation whose highest power is, or you can say whose highest degree is 2, that is known as quadratic equation. For example, like 5x squared plus 2x plus 3 is your quadratic equation because here the highest degree, highest power of the variable is 2. So this is your quadratic equation. And what is the standard form of quadratic equation? Standard form of quadratic equation is this: ax squared plus bx plus c, where a should not equal to 0. This is your quadratic polynomial, or you can say that it is a standard form of quadratic equation, and a, b, c should be real numbers. Should be real numbers. This is the equation. This is the, you can say, definition of the quadratic equation. A quadratic equation in one variable. Okay, it is what which is having a highest power 2. Which is that equation in one variable which is having a highest power 2, that is known as quadratic equation in one variable. So this is your quadratic equation in one variable. There are more examples of the quadratic equation. For example, you can take here 2x square minus 5. So this 2x square minus 5, it is also a quadratic equation. You will say that, ma'am, it is not like this, it is like this: a square plus bx plus c. But what happened? This is ax square, this looks like ax square, that is 2x square. This is minus 5, it's look like this is a constant. But what about the middle term? Ma'am, middle term is not here, that's why it's not a quadratic equation. No, this is a quadratic equation. Why? Because maybe b is equals to 0, which makes this term 0. That's why it is not there. Because in condition, if we will look to our standard equation, so in condition it is, this is only given that a should not equal to 0. Rest can be, b can be equal to 0, c can be equal to 0, but a should not equal to 0. So this is the condition. If you will make your x 0, so then it will not be your quadratic equation. You can see here that suppose if I'm making like this: 0 into x square plus 3x plus 1. So 0 into x square means what? 0. So now this equation is not having a highest power 2. What is the reason that why a is not equal to 0? Because if we will take a is equals to 0 and if we will put in the equation, so what will happen? 0 multiply by something will give you 0. That means now this equation is a linear equation because its highest power is 1. So this result is this 3x plus 1, and this is not, this will be no more quadratic equation. That's why they choose that a should not equal to 0. B can be 0, c can be 0. So this is all about the quadratic equation introduction. Now let's move on to the roots of quadratic equation. What do you understand by the roots? Roots actually what? Solution of the equation which satisfy the equation. Suppose you have this equation 2x square minus 3x plus 1. This is your equation. Now if I'm saying that if you will put here x is equals to 1, then what will happen? If you will put x is equals to 1, then what will happen? Let's see what will happen. If I will put here x is equals to 1, this is x square. This is what? X square. That means in place of x, I am writing here 1. So it will be 1 square. X square. X multiplying 2 times. So 1 multiplied by 2 times. Now minus 3. Minus 3 into 1 plus 1. So it's 2 minus 3 plus 1. First, according to the board mass, first we will do addition. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 3 gives 0. So we will say that 1 is the root of this equation. Whenever by putting the value of the variable in the equation gives you 0, the whole value results will give you 0. That is known as the root of the equation. So here I will say that 1 is the root of this equation. And a quadratic equation, because its degree is 2, so there are the possibilities that this quadratic equation will have two roots. Okay, it can, they have one root also, and they can be two roots. More than two roots quadratic equation will not have, because quadratic equation highest degree is 2. So it will not have more than two solution. Why? Because its highest degree is 2. If its highest degree will be 3, then maximum solution will be 3. So it depends on the highest degree, or you can say highest power of the equation, that will tell you how many possibly or solution are there, how many possibilities of the solutions are there. So here only two solution can be there. Now let's see. Yeah, so I was saying that x1 is your roots. Now let's put minus 1. If we will put x is equals to minus 1, as we will get 0. Let's see. 2 minus 1 square minus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 will give you plus 1. So that is into 2 give you plus 2. Minus 3 into minus 1 give you plus 3 and plus 1. As you can see that it's not 0, it's coming 6. That's why minus 1 is not the root of this equation. 1 is the root of this equation. So root means what? Solution of the equation. or it means what, that that solution should satisfy the given equation. And how it will satisfy the given equation? When you will put the root in the equation, then the result should become 0.